Hello, you guys. How are you? I am just gonna touch up my makeup right now. I did it this morning, but I feel like it's looking a little rough. Needs a little midday touch up. So that is what I'm doing this whole week. Honestly, this whole month has been crazy and it's just gonna continue to get crazier. October over here is like wedding central in New Jersey. I feel like because typically the weather is like it's starting to get cooler, not so hot and humid from the summer. Like a lot of people get married in the fall here. That's like the biggest like wedding time. And we have a wedding almost every single weekend in October. And two of them are my two best friends. So my best friend from high school is getting married this Saturday. And then in 2 weeks, my best friend from college is getting married. So I'm in both weddings. So I just can't wait. I'm so excited. I love, and it's just gonna be so much fun. I am a procrastinator with absolutely everything. You guys have probably seen, I posted on like Reels and TikTok, me trying on different dresses. That is for the wedding that is this weekend. It's so funny because my two friends could not be more of like polar opposites when it comes to their weddings. My one friend who is my college best friend who's getting married more towards the end of the month, we have had our bridesmaids dresses since like, I'm not even kidding, like a year ago. We went and picked them out. We're all wearing the same dress. We ordered them. I've had it for so long. I do need to get that tailored because it really does not fit me well. I'll show that to you guys in a little bit. I don't know if you have any other like options, but I think I just need to take it to the tailor and like see what they can do. But I have a little bit more time for that dress. My friend that's getting married this week was just like, yeah, just navy blue, floor length dress, like whatever, totally fine, like for the bridesmaids. So was so chill about it, which is like amazing. But for somebody like me that is a procrastinator through and through, I'm still not 1,000% sure what dress I'm wearing, and literally now we're down to days. Like I have multiple dresses that I ordered, so I'm gonna try them on for you guys, and hopefully y'all can help me pick whichever one you think is best. I had thought that it would be a lot warmer than it is. Like typically October is not super cold here, but it is cold outside. Like it is, I was gonna say freezing. I wouldn't call it freezing just yet, but it is cold. It is not warm anymore. Like this is not even really fall weather. It's like legitimately cold, I feel like at this point. And it is not supposed to be warm this weekend for the wedding. So I feel like it's changing the dress that I was gonna wear because I think I need something that's a little bit better for colder weather. Anywho, let me go get the dresses and I'll show you guys and hopefully you can help me make a decision on which one to wear. All right, we're in my closet. Now I wanted to show you guys, this was my original dress. I actually really liked this dress, but it's not really navy blue. But the only request my friend had was navy blue. And although this dress is listed as navy blue on the website, this is not really navy blue. I feel like in certain lights, it does look navy blue, but I don't want to look different than like all the other bridesmaids and stuff like that. And I don't want to be in the wrong color. Obviously, like I feel like it gives more like royal blue in certain lights because it's like a shiny material. So this is just a no. Maybe I'll wear it to something else because I did like the dress, but we gotta be in navy blue. Okay, here is option one. You know what I'm realizing? I'm gonna have to go out of my closet because I'm not gonna be able to show you the full dresses and you gotta see the full thing. All right, so let's go somewhere else so I can show you the full outfit. Okay, we're in the bathroom. I think you guys will be able to see the full dress like here. This is option one. I do really like this one. It's like a little off the shoulder moment. It's comfortable, but this was the one that I was most concerned if it's cold out, I'll be the most cold in because I feel like it has the least amount of fabric, but I do like it. And at the very least, this is definitely navy. So we got the color down. I'm not gonna like stand out, you know, it's just what I don't want to do. So definitely an option. Okay, here is option two. This one is honestly quite similar. Also kind of has asymmetrical neckline, but has more like sleeves. So if it's a little bit cooler, I feel like it'll be better. And this one's also like a thicker material. Still very comfortable though, like they're both comfy because I want to make sure I can like dance and stuff, you know? So this one might be a little bit better if it is colder. You can pull like both sides off like this too, but the way the model has it online, it's like this, like asymmetrical, so I don't know. Okay, now here is option three. This one is just like classic kind of bridesmaid. Again, off the shoulder. I didn't really plan they were all gonna be some sort of off the shoulder, it's just kind of how it worked out. It has like a little slit, but it's just like pretty and flowy, definitely very comfortable too. This one I was a little bit nervous. It wasn't navy, but I feel like now that I'm like really looking at it, like it definitely is. It's a little bit lighter than some of the other dresses were, but I still feel like it's definitely like navy blue. I wish there was something to kind of like cinch the waist a little bit. It's a little big like in the waist, but it's definitely comfortable. So this is the last option. So let me know which one you guys like best because we're down to the wire now. I only got a couple of days. I'm gonna try on my other bridesmaid's dress now. I'll show you guys. That definitely needs to be tailored. Okay, here's the dress for the other wedding that I'm in. I love the color. It's like a burgundy. The top is just way too big. Like it could fit like a whole, like my whole arms could like fit inside of here. So I just need the tailor to like, I don't know, take it in somehow. Maybe they can like lift it up. I'm not really sure. It's just not, doesn't really fit me that great, but We'll make it work. But hopefully the tailor can fix that. I gotta do that this week. But yeah, these are all my bridesmaids dresses. Hi guys, it is the next day. There's Sean's a little like Barbie makeup look, so that's why I have a lot of like pinkness going on. But I've had a good day so far. I went to the tailor this morning. I brought the maroon dress and they said that it won't be any problem. So we're getting that fixed. I was nervous that I like didn't have enough time and she was like, no girl, you're fine. So it was so expensive though. I was like not expecting that. It was over $200 to fix the dress. I was like, okay. You know, like I'm sure, I guess it's not easy to do that. Obviously, I don't know how to do it, so I kind of just had to give it to them because I was like, all right, here. But yeah, tailoring is quite pricey. I don't normally like ever get anything tailored really, so I guess I didn't really know the going rates. Hopefully it all looks good once it's all done. I just got this in the mail. I'm so excited. e.l.f. came out with lip oils, so I figured we could do like a little PR unboxing because I got some other PR and stuff today too. A few things that I ordered as well, so just like a little unboxing. I always get requests to do PR unboxings and I haven't done one in a really long time, so I figured we could do that a little bit today. Before we get started, I do want to let you guys know though something so exciting. I am going to be doing my own stream on Whatnot. If you guys don't know what Whatnot is, it's basically like an app where you can watch live streams, or like myself, I can live stream on it, and then you can shop for products through the live stream. So I'm gonna do a stream on there where I'm gonna be showing you guys my current favorites and also kind of like a holiday gift guide sort of thing with all of the amazing gift sets and then just some of my absolute favorites from Sephora. So my live stream is gonna be on October 30th. So the day before Halloween, October 30th. But also, drum roll please, we're going to be giving away a Dyson Airwrap. I know like during the holidays and really all year round, that is one of like the biggest, most sought after like beauty gifts. So we're gonna be giving away a Dyson Airwrap, which I'm really, really excited about. So definitely join the stream. Okay, my camera so rudely died, but we're back now. Like I was saying, live stream is gonna be on October 30th. It's very, very simple to be able to watch the stream. Basically, all you have to do, sign up via my link. It's in my bio. That's gonna give you $10 to spend on my stream or anybody else's. And the $10 credit will be automatically applied to your first purchase. And the items that I'm gonna be talking about from the stream are going to be discounted as well. They're not going to be full price. So you will be able to get them at an awesome discount too, which is really, really exciting because I have a lot of really, really good stuff in there. So I think y'all are gonna love it. It's a really cool app. I personally really enjoy it. So definitely check it out. And again, hang out with me on October 30th. So you guys can see all of my holiday favorites from Sephora. And plus, like I said, we'll be doing the giveaway with the Dyson Airwrap, which is so exciting. So wanted to let you guys know about that. But now let's get into the little PR unboxing. I need to open this and check out these new e.l.f. lip oils. I'm so excited. Also love how the box like looks like a lip oil. So cute. Ooh, they look so pretty. So these are the brand new e.l.f. lip oils. I feel like I've like been knowing that they were gonna do this for the longest time. Like I didn't actually know, but it's the logical progression because they always give us the best dupes. Okay, which color should we try? I feel like this one's kind of calling my name. Pink Quartz. Looks really, really pretty. And it goes with the little pinkness that I have on my lips. So this is what they look like. And it just says like lip oil on the back. All right, okay. I also wanna tell you guys what the price point is on this. This is gonna be 7 different shades. Big doe foot applicator, which is very similar to the Dior. Ooh, it has like a minty scent to it, which I love. Feels really nice and nourishing. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry, the lighting. It's like going in and out. This looks so good. It looks like a lip gloss on the lips, but it feels like a lip oil or like a lip treatment. Like it feels nourishing, not sticky whatsoever at all. I like this. I might like these better than the Milani ones. I really like the Milani lip oils too. Those are obviously also at a drugstore price point, but ooh, love it. Okay, I mean, honestly, am I surprised? No, like I figured they were gonna be really good, but you never know, you know. There are some products from e.l.f. that I don't love, so sometimes they do have some misses, but this one, pretty dang good so far. I feel like that looks really, really pretty. Okay, excited about that. I got a couple more packages in today, so I figured we could just do a little PR unboxing. This one is from a PR company, so I don't know who sent it. Ooh, I think it's Makeup Forever. Cute little package here. It like smells like makeup. I don't know how else to describe that. It has like a specific scent and I love it. Ooh, okay, wait, what is this? These are their artist face powders. So I guess they're new. Blush and highlight powders. These are going to be retailing for $32 US at Sephora. So this is one of them. This one is in the shade Anywhere Peach. Ooh, pretty like peachy
Little blush, okay. Then we have Anywhere Glimmer. Ooh, so that's gonna be like a highlight. Oh, that is stunning. I love Makeup Forever highlights. They're super underrated, I think, personally. I feel like I don't normally hear people talk about them, but their artist highlight I have used for years and years. It's so beautiful. I don't even know they make it anymore. And I still use it because it's so pretty. This is Wherever Rose. This is like a pretty blush. And then we have Wherever Pearl, which is like a lighter kind of pearlescent highlight. And then they sent over some of their artist pencils too up top here. So thank you, Makeup Forever, super cute. Next one we have, I'm excited about. This is from Stephanie Letta, or SMLXO. Y'all know she has her own perfume brand, and her fragrance smells so divine. I can't even explain to you guys. And she came out with a travel size, so that's what this is. This is the Letta 22 Oris perfume. So let's open this up. I am so excited about this. Okay, this lighting behind me, like the sun is going a little crazy. So let me switch. Let me move a little bit over here. I think this will be better. So the lighting is not as crazy. Sorry about that. But let me tell you guys, I am picky when it comes to my perfumes. There is a lot that I don't like because I am somewhat sensitive and I'll get headaches and stuff. So it has to be one that like works for me, that I like. And hers, I love. Okay, first of all, bougie packaging. And inside you get the little travel size. Wow, this is nice. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It's like the perfect mix of like sweet, but also sophisticated. And it's not like overly sickly sweet. It's just really, really beautiful. I love that she has the travel size now. So, so pretty. So congrats, Steph. This is amazing and going in my purse immediately. Now, the next package we have is from Tarte. So let's see what this is. Ooh, they just sent over this cute little package with some of their favorites in there. Lovely. I'm obsessed with the Tarte Sculpt Tape. This stuff is so, so good. I use shade Warm Bronze. I personally like this actually even better than the Charlotte Tilbury one, so love that. We also got their blush tape, a little highlighter, some shape tape, and some lippies. And then we got a little Tartelette in Bloom palette. So, so pretty. And you know what? I actually have a Tartelette in Bloom palette, so I don't need another one. So I wanna give this away to one of you guys. Comment down below what you're being for Halloween. And if you're not personally dressing up this year, just put like what your favorite part about Halloween or the fall is. And I'll just randomly pick one of the comments and then I will send this out as a little gift to one of y'all if you're interested in a Tartelette in Bloom palette. So I'll leave that in here. All right, that is everything that I got today in PR.
Okay, I just got changed into a little workout outfit. I'm gonna go to the gym shortly. Gotta put this hair up. I always feel like whenever I do something, like I gotta get my hair up and out of my face, like gets me ready to go. But I'm gonna go to the gym shortly, but before I go, I need to pull out my fall decor. Y'all, it's already the middle of October. I have not even put out a pumpkin. Nothing yet. Like, I don't know. I was so behind this year. I don't like when people like rush fall like in August and put the pumpkin stuff out, but like, okay, I could have like done it in September at some point. I still have nothing. So I'm gonna put the stuff out that I have, just like the stuff that I have from last year, because y'all know come November 1st, I will be decorating for Christmas. Like that I do not wait on. I don't get as excited with the fall decorations, but we need a little something around here. So I wanna do that quickly before I go to the gym because I keep forgetting. And if I keep forgetting, all of a sudden it's gonna be November 1st and then I'm just gonna never put it out at all. So let's go try and find my decor first and foremost. I just told Steven that I was gonna go to the gym with him, and his face, if y'all could have seen. Come on, you love it.
No.
You're so mean to me. It's because I rushed him, that's why. Brinzy's not happy either. He's like, no, don't leave us. I normally go to Orange Theory, which is like by myself, and then Steven will go to like the regular gym when I go to Orange Theory, but I'm too late today and the classes are already over, so I'm going with him. But first, we fall decor. Our basement is like Santa's workshop. We have like all of our Christmas decor, like literally everywhere. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe I'm showing this. But I see my little pumpkins back there, my few little fall decors. Like everywhere you look, there's just like more trees and Christmas stuff. Okay, obviously I have a lot more like Christmas and holiday decor than I do for fall. This is what we're working with, so really not too much. I do love these pumpkins though. I got these like a few years back at Home Goods and they're just so cute. So for these, I want to put them in the dining room. This is where I put them last year. I just put them right on the table like this. And I feel like it looks cute. Let me grab the other one. Like, they're just so pretty. I feel like they're me too, like with the little snake skin. I decided, you know what? I'm not like every year I would be like, oh, I need to buy all this new stuff.
Not really, no you don't. Like just use what you have. So I'm using what I have this year and it looks cute, right? Like gives a little fall to the table. Should I move these maybe and stagger it? I think that might look a little better. Like that. And then they're like a little bit more staggered. Okay, actually no. Liked it better the other way. Pause. If I had another one of these tea lights, it would look better the other way, but I don't. So that's cute for the dining room. We are hosting Thanksgiving, so we will be eating Thanksgiving dinner in there, but by that time, it'll already have my Christmas decor. I don't care what y'all say. I know some people are like, what? You eat Thanksgiving dinner around your Christmas decor? Yes, and my family looks forward to it. They like to see my decorations. And we do a lot in our house for Christmas, so like, I'm not gonna do all that and then just have it up for less than a month because I do put it down after Christmas. Like I don't leave it up till like February. I take it down after the holiday's over, so I like to have it up for as long as possible. So we decorate in early November. But the pumpkins for right now are good. Okay, this little pumpkin actually lights up, so I might put this one outside. And we have this little S one. So for this, I will put it on the entry table maybe, like just plop it here, I don't know. Honestly, that kind of looks cute. And like when you come in, oh no, now it looks off balance. It's gotta go on the other side. You can tell I'm somewhat indecisive. All right, how's that? Cute? That's all we're getting today. You know what I just remembered is I have a pumpkin candle. I gotta find it. Hang on. Okay, found it. So excited, this is my little candle drawer, but I got this last year at Target, I think. And isn't it so cute? And it smells like pumpkin, so this will go in the kitchen. Found my pumpkin candle! Steven's like, oh my goodness, okay. Does it still? It should. Does it smell good?
Vanilla.
Wait, really? No, it's supposed to be pumpkin.
Vanilla pumpkin.
Okay, vanilla pumpkin, yeah. Let me see.
Not bad though.
Okay, yeah, a little bit more vanilla than pumpkin, but like it's cute, you know? So I'll just put this right there. Perfect. Looks cute here with our little decor. I have like a Christmas one too that I normally put here. So now we have a little pumpkin for the fall. I also think I'm gonna put a wreath back there on that window. I normally do like a Christmas one during Christmas. So let me grab that. I could put the wreath on the front door, but my front door wreath is honestly kind of like, it's like my all seasons wreath. So it's the one that I just always keep on my front door. But that one's honestly very like fall-like. Let me show you. So I feel like I could use the other fall wreath that I have inside the house instead of changing it for the front door because it's a little bit small. This is the wreath we have on the front door. So I feel like this is still, you know, kind of fall-like. So I'm just gonna leave this till I switch it out for the more holiday one. But I do have this cute little sign, which I feel like is kind of fall vibe. So I'm gonna put this out by the front door. I'm just gonna kind of lean it like right there. Looks cute, kind of goes with the little wreath. Last year we got like a hay bale and so it was up higher. Maybe I'll get another hay bale this year, but honestly, I feel like this looks fine. Prince's like, what are you doing, mommy? Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, I almost forgot about my pumpkin. Gotta put that too. I'm just gonna put that next to the little home sign, honestly. A little pathetic, like, could I do better? Yes, if you're looking for like perfectly curated fall home content. You're not getting that here. This is just real life. The holidays are more my thing, you know? We go all out for that. I don't really go all out for the fall, but at least I have a little something. Makes me feel better like I did something instead of just no decor at all. Okay, and then Steven's got my other little wreath. See, this is such a pretty wreath, but it's a little too small for our front door. Thank you. But we got it up here in the kitchen. I feel like it's so cute. It's got little pumpkins and it looks nice. Okay, Steven just found another little fall wreath we have. This one's not as cute. It's definitely really old, but like, it's cute. All right, let's put this somewhere. We're just gonna put it on the little outdoor doors we have. All right, wow, now we are just super festive. Love it. I told them, I was like, we'll do more for the holidays. Fall is just not.
Yeah, our thing.
Yeah. I love fall, but it's like I just don't have a lot of decor because I don't love like the scary Halloween decor. Like we don't do like the skeletons and stuff like that. It's just not something I love personally. So I just kind of throw a few pumpkins and call it a day. But yeah.